Hi, my name is Christina and I'm in St. Louis, Missouri, and I am a health insurance agent and have been for over 10 years now, so a long time. So if you're watching this video, you're probably getting ready to think about Medicare or already involved with it. So first thing I always say to my clients who are aging into Medicare is congratulations, because it's a great place to be. You have lots of good options. I can tell you though, it can be very confusing when you first start looking at it, and that's why I love my job. I love helping people make Medicare easy. Okay, so when you're aging into Medicare, you get probably 1,000 pieces of mail, something like that, and they all want to sell you something, and they talk about supplements, and they talk about advantage plans, and Part D, and Part A, and Part B, and Part C, and Part D, and then there's Plan F, and Plan G, and Plan N, and which is best, and now they have Plan G, high deductible, and it's very, very confusing, and you want to make the right decision. So it's not easy to do, but I can help you with that. So probably it's been 10 years ago. When my mother was 94, I was her major caretaker, and when she was 94, God bless her soul, she would sneeze, I think, and her back would break, and I could walk into her room and just see the pain on her face and knew right away. So I'd have to put her in my car, go get an MRI to confirm it, and then they ended up putting cement in her back, and of all things, and then doing pain management. So when she was in pain like that, we didn't want just any pain management doctors. You want the very best that you can find. And with her Medicare plans, we were able to get the very best in St. Louis, so that was good. So I've also seen, she was on a supplement plan, and so I saw firsthand how that worked. And then I have a husband who's older than me, and he is on Medicare, and last year was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. But when we first started going through the process, we knew he had cancer. We didn't know yet what kind or what the treatments would entail. And the first doctor that we went to, he was told he'd have to have chemo, he'd have to have radiation, he might lose feeling in his fingers and toes and other extremities, and that feeling eventually may come back and it may not. He didn't like those options, and so he's a reader and started reading online about what his choices are, and he turned to me one day and said, I don't think I have to do the chemo, and there's a doctor here at in St. Louis at Barnes Jewish Hospital, and I would really like to go see her. And I'm like, well, sweetheart, she has to be in network on an advantage plan, and guess what? She was. And so he got to go see the best doctor that he thought for his situation, and he got his radiation, and I'm happy to say that today he is in complete remission and never lost feeling in his fingers and toes. So we're both happy about that. So I've seen how supplements work firsthand. I've seen how advantage plans work firsthand. So I can help guide you with the knowledge of how these plans work and find what you want. Okay. Find the coverage that you want is very, very important, and the price range that you want. When you work with me, you will know exactly how your plan works, and if there's any holes in it, I'll let you know that, because I don't want any surprises about that. And I'll just help you make the decision easier. So Again, my name's Christina, and I am happy to help you with your Medicare.